Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Tuesday, 17 September 2019 and just after 11 AM in Singapore. And we'll take a look at the daily analysis for spot gold and dollar yen. Let's start with spot gold. And at the start of the week, let me change to the 4-hour time frame so it's probably clearer. Right at the start of the week, over the weekend, there was a gap up of over 160 pips, and this was the reaction due to the drone attack on the Saudi oil installation, and that was the reaction, and it has since tried to close the gap, but it has settled at the weekly pivot at 14.99 and consolidated below the 55 period EMA and above the 200 period EMA. So this is going to be a consolidation zone here, centered around the weekly pivot. Right, it could possibly continue to consolidate until Thursday morning's FOMC rate decision. That's at 2 AM in Singapore. So this could be a range between the monthly pivot and perhaps the 55 period EMA. If it does try to break out higher, then it could target the weekly R1 pivot at 1513. Otherwise, anything lower, there's this swing low at 1480 that will provide significant support. And at the moment, this zone is going to be our key support area for now, and we'll look for any bounce to take any potential long positions, or if it breaks below this, then can possibly target this previous swing low. Alright, let's take a look at the dollar yen. Likewise, with run a flight to safety over the weekend, there's also a gap here on the dollar yen. We switch to 4-hour time frame, and this gap was over 60 pips, but it has quickly closed since then yesterday and recovered to retest the 78.6 fib retracement level up here. Weekly pivot is at 107.70, so that will be the support area. And if it does break out higher, the weekly R1 is at 108.66. So this is likely going to consolidate as well until the FOMC rate decision news is out. And there is this support at the weekly pivot as well as at the 62 fib level, where the 55 period EMA is as well, 107.46. So this could be potential support levels. But for now, looks like it's consolidating between these two fib levels until the news announcement. And meanwhile, we'll see whether there's any further tensions in this Saudi drone attack and any other geopolitical tensions, and any potential response from the US. Right, and that could upset this whole market as well, with further flight to safety. Right. Meanwhile, until Thursday, which will be already after the Fed announcement, we'll watch out for volatility after that, and have a good trading week then. Cheers.